is recorded for the protesters on the PolyU campus. I have been communicating closely with the police since last evening. We have now received the assurance of police of a temporary suspension of the use of force under the condition that if the protesters do not initiate the use of force, the police will not initiate the use of force. In addition, we have also received permission from the police for you to leave the campus peacefully, and I will personally accompany you to the police station to ensure that your case will be fairly processed. For students from PolyU, our Office of Counseling and Wellness will provide all the necessary support and counseling to help you during this difficult period of time. I hope that you will accept the proposed temporary suspension of force and leave the campus in a peaceful manner. 邊度中？上翻嚟，我掹實，俾一手我，捉實，有冇事？包血喎你，我出，爆頭啊！啲血嚟㗎啦！ 跌咗個電話，可唔可以過嚟？邊度？先生幫我部手機啊！對。OK。喺上面。哇！點你望住我嚟唱啊？做咩嘢？